1.
Selective clone. Object. Debug. A drink. Okay. Customize it.
2.
Warehouse. Extract tuning. Object/object_drink. Pick whatever you like. Data. Edit name. Copy name. Object definition. Paste name. Hash generator. Make 2 different FNVs. Click flag. Edit items. Replace keys. Object catalog. Paste name in name. Description in description. Dev category flag 80.
3.
Object tuning. Locate consumable full. Copy ID. Under default value, locate consumable empty. Paste over the string. Locate lock freshness. Copy ID. Under default value, paste it. Done. Oh, that took me a few months. Tenacity is everything.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.